Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and one of my viewers or subscribers sent me a suggestion off of a video I made over 3 years ago, and I've learned a lot since then. But I never really have used this, but it wasn't really warranted to make a video. And when you need to edit this name and change it another name, I go right here. Well, right there, there's a shortcut key, Control-Shift-T. So if you hit your Control Shift, which is right there together, and the letter T, that screen comes up. So it's not that big a deal. I wasn't going to make a video, but you could and do anything you want. And we're going to change the name, and it goes right back in there. Now, this name is actually a little bit bigger, so I thought I'd go ahead and just add this, and it does fit. If you want, so let's say this is a pen jig, and this is your writing surface on every pen. It doesn't look like a pen jig, but you'd have a pen jig built. And you need to put that name, and this is where importing names off of a customer email list would really help you. And you kind of have to do it in this order. You have to select the name first, hold down your Shift key, and select that box, and hit CE. And what C did, it put it in the center of the box. Let's just do this name, you'll see it better. We'll just bring it closer. But you have to select that first, hold down your Shift and hit the box second. And now we're going to hit E. It's centered it up and down, but it's not centered it left and right, so you hit the letter C. So if you can do CE in any order, but if you do not select the box, if you do not select the name first, and you don't even have to be in there, let's select let's just select them both. Go CE. And it does work, but it's just some order. You cannot select the box first. Tell you what, let's put the name down further. Let's select the box first, now the name, and hit CE, and it moved the box. You do not want it to move the box because that's your writing area. So going back, you would have this in line, and your name could be over here, but you have to pick your name first, then select both and EC. And it'll put those names right into your writing area. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.